Welcome to our comprehensive guide on effective time management. In this video, we'll dive into a range of strategies and techniques that can revolutionize the way you manage your time. Time is a finite resource, and by harnessing it effectively, you can enhance your productivity, reduce stress, and accomplish your goals with greater ease. So, without further ado, let's embark on this journey to unlock the secrets of effective time management. Prioritization is the keystone of effective time management. Imagine your daily tasks as pieces of a puzzle. The first step in assembling this puzzle is creating a structured list of everything you need to accomplish. The real magic happens when you prioritize these tasks based on their importance and urgency. This process not only provides clarity but also guides your focus towards tasks that truly matter, helping you make the most of your day. Next, let's talk about SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific goals provide clarity. Measurable goals allow you to track progress. Achievable goals are realistic. Relevant goals align with your vision. And time-bound goals set deadlines. By implementing these criteria, you can transform vague aspirations into concrete, actionable objectives, ensuring you stay on the path to success. Always think SMART. Now, let's explore time blocking, a strategy that transforms your daily schedule into a well-orchestrated symphony. Picture your day as a series of time blocks, each dedicated to a specific task or activity. By allocating focused time slots for various responsibilities, you create an environment of enhanced productivity. This approach minimizes distractions and multitasking, allowing you to give each task your undivided attention, ultimately resulting in more efficient and effective workdays. Speaking of productivity, consider the impact of a clutter-free workspace on your ability to concentrate. Imagine a desk where only the essentials reside, and a workspace that's organized and devoid of distractions. This ideal environment fosters a heightened sense of focus, enabling you to dive deep into your tasks without interruptions. By eliminating clutter and setting boundaries in your workspace, you create the ideal conditions for peak productivity and efficient time management. Now, let's introduce you to a time-tested method known as the Pomodoro Technique. Envision your workday divided into focused 25-minute intervals, each followed by a brief 5-minute break. This structured approach not only enhances your concentration but also safeguards against burnout. By working in these dedicated bursts, you can maintain a high level of productivity while ensuring you have time for regular rejuvenation, a key component of effective time management. Learning to say no may seem challenging, but it's a valuable skill in your time management toolkit. Consider a scenario where you receive an additional task or commitment that could overburden your schedule. Visualize yourself gracefully declining or negotiating for a more suitable time. By setting boundaries and managing your commitments wisely, you protect your valuable time and ensure that your priorities remain at the forefront of your daily agenda. Remember, your time is as important as anyone else's. Let's delve deeper into the concept of importance versus urgency, a framework that allows you to categorize your tasks effectively. Think of your responsibilities as pieces in a jigsaw puzzle. This Eisenhower matrix assists you in sorting them into 4 distinct categories. Tasks that are both important and urgent. Tasks that are important but not urgent. Tasks that are urgent but not important. And those that are neither important nor urgent. This visual aid, made up of 4 quadrants, each representing one of those categories, provides a clear roadmap for allocating your time and energy to tasks that align with your goals and priorities. As we near the conclusion of our time management journey, remember that effective time management is an ongoing process. Envision a weekly planner filled with your goals and tasks, alongside a notebook brimming with your reflections and progress. By regularly reviewing your schedule and adjusting your strategies, you ensure that you remain on course, aligned with your evolving objectives. Flexibility and adaptability are your allies on this continuous path toward improved time management. Congratulations, you've completed our comprehensive guide on effective time management. By mastering these techniques: prioritization, SMART goals, Time blocking. Eliminating distractions. The Pomodoro Technique. Learning to say no. And the art of importance versus urgency. Alongside the practice of reviewing and adjusting, you possess the tools to take control of your time, achieve your goals, and reduce stress. The journey to effective time management begins with that first step, and with consistent practice, you can watch your productivity soar. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, and as always, if you know someone who might find this helpful, share this video with them.